Imagine smelling your food from almost 1 kilometer away. That's a polar bear, the largest land predator on Earth, built for pure survival. Under its white fur is black skin that absorbs heat from the sun, and a thick layer of fat that keeps it warm in freezing Arctic temperatures. Its massive paws spread its weight on ice and work like paddles when swimming. And here's the crazy part. Polar bears can swim for hours straight in icy water without stopping. This isn't just a bear. It's the true king of the Arctic. Like and subscribe for more wild facts.